Hi everyone. So it is now week 7 for Calc 2. We're actually covering stuff that's usually covered in a Calc 3 class if you're at a school where there's 3 courses for calculus rather than 2. We're going to be looking at multiple integration this week. And so that means we are doing integrals where we're doing over multiple variables. So we're going to be integrating, say, x and then integrating y, or integrating x, then y, then z. So these are called double integrals and triple integrals. And these are usually used for if you're trying to find surface area, so you've got a 3D object and you're finding the area around it, or if you're trying to find a volume of an object. Because we're going to be doing things with 3D, and some things are going to be in like circles and sort of things, so we're going to be looking at polar coordinates again. So if you need to go back to a couple weeks ago when we looked at polar coordinates, you might want to bring out your notes again for that. And we're going to be looking at spherical coordinates, which are basically polar coordinates in 3D. I will warn you that this week is difficult for students, and it's not because of the integration itself, but because of setting these up properly. So if you're not sure if you're setting up something properly, you can shoot me an email and I can take a look at your setup and let you know if you're on the right track or not. I also recommend finding a good 3D grapher so you can visualize what you're integrating. That's what I do. I have to draw pictures. I usually first draw the picture in 2D and then I draw it in 3D so I can see what it looks like in 3D. And that gives me a better sense of what I'm integrating over, what my limits of integration are, which variables to do first, that sort of thing. I use GeoGebra.org. GeoGebra is a downloadable application, or you can use it online, and there's a 3D grapher there. So that's what I use for my 3D graphs. I also use Wolfram Alpha. If you have other resources that are great for 3D, let me know. I would love to share those with everybody and explore to see if there are better options. So if you have any questions with anything this week, of course, you can reach out to me, and I'll see you in the discussions. Bye.